In this quick guide video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Facebook. If you have mistakenly added in your age different than that you currently are, let me quickly show you how you can change it successfully. So first of all, open up your Facebook app and tap on your profile icon on the top left. From this profile section, all you need to do is scroll down a bit and you'll see an option of edit public details. You won't be able to see this option if your account is turned on professional mode. So to change your age first, you'll need to switch back to a normal mode. Tap on the three dots right here and you'll have an option of turn on professional mode. Once you turn off the professional mode, you can now tap on edit public details, scroll down and tap on edit your about info. And again, if you scroll down under basic info, you can see your exact date of birth right here. So just tap on edit. You can change in the day, you can change in the month, and you can also change the year. Just tap on this arrow and choose the date that you want. Once you selected the date that you want, you can just tap on save and your date will be successfully changed on Facebook. So that's how quickly and easily you can change your age on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.